Lights flickering? Wires wobbling? Let's tackle loose connections. Hey, electricians of the internet, welcome to Electricity Frenzy. Today, we're wrestling with a sneaky foe, the dreaded loose connection. It might cause flickering lights, buzzing walls, and fried gadgets, but don't worry, we'll show you how to keep those wires tight and your home safe. What's a loose connection, you ask? Imagine a handshake with thick mittens. That's kinda how wires behave when they're not snug. Electricity flows like a chatty friend, but loose connections make it stutter and spark, causing heat and resistance. Spotting the gremlins. These sneaky buggers leave clues. Flickering lights, like a disco ball gone rogue, your lights might suddenly do the jitterbug. Buzzing or crackling, walls whispering secrets? That could be loose connections groaning under the electrical strain. Warm outlets or plugs, if things are getting a little too hot to handle, a loose connection might be cranking up the heat. Appliances acting up, dimming lights when you vacuum? Strange appliance behavior can sometimes be traced back to wobbly wires. Prevention is key. Don't wait for the gremlins to strike. Here's how to keep them at bay. Tighten those screws. Regularly check and tighten connections in outlets, switches, and light fixtures. Use the right screwdriver and don't overcrank, you don't want to snap the screws. Inspect your cords. Look for fraying, cracking, or any damage that could weaken the connection. Time to say goodbye to that beat-up extension cord. Don't overload outlets. Too many plugs drawing power can loosen connections and create fire hazards. Spread the load out, folks. Call in the pros. If you're not comfortable tinkering yourself, don't hesitate to call a licensed electrician. They've got the training and tools to tackle any tricky connections. AFCI, the superhero sidekick. Think of arc fault circuit interrupters, AFCIs, as superhero sidekicks in the fight against loose connections. They're like tiny electrical detectives, constantly monitoring the flow for those telltale signs of arcing. If they see trouble, they trip the circuit in a flash, cutting off the power before things get dangerous. In the video description, I've linked to some top-rated AFCIs that can be your electrical guardian angels. Check them out, pick your perfect match, and give your home the gift of safety and stability. Remember, safety first. Always turn off the power before working on any electrical connections. By following these tips and staying vigilant, you can keep your home electricity happy, healthy, and free from flickering frenzies. Don't forget to share your electrical adventures in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and keep those connections tight.